Hello, Namaste students. So this is Nikhilesh from Anti-Clock Coaching Academy. Students, today I'm going to talk about VIT. Okay, if you are planning to get into Vellore Institute of Technology, VIT for engineering, this video is must watch. Okay, I will cover all VIT 2025's exam pattern, important dates, and eligibility criteria, syllabus, and how to crack this exam, what are the reference books, all those things will be discussed in this video. Okay, what is this VIT? VIT means Vellore Institute of Technology. The entrance exam is VIT triple E, meaning to say that Vellore Institute of Technology Engineering Entrance Exam, which is conducted by Vellore Institute of Technology for admission to its campuses. There are many campuses which is in Vellore, Chennai, Bhopal, Andhra Pradesh. So it is one of the top private engineering entrance exams in India, one of the top college in India. Okay. So now, first of all, what all are the important dates? So application form released already in the month of November 2024, and to apply last date is March 2025. This is January, you have 2 more months. Please do register for this, and the exam will be conducted on April 2025. Again, in the end of the month April, you will get the result. Then we will be having some counseling and admissions. Okay, counseling will be in the month of May or June. Okay, May to June in the year of 2025. Okay. Second one, make sure you don't miss these deadlines. The application process is completely online. So register early to avoid last minute issues. Okay, don't need to wait till last date. Just register now itself. Okay, what all are the eligibility criteria? Before applying, just check if you are eligible or not. Right. So age must be born on or before July 1, 2003. You must born on or before July 1, 2003. Okay. Qualification as simple, must have passed or appearing for 12th exam this year, and minimum marks is at least 60% in PCM, or you can take PCB also. So minimum 60% marks in PCM. Okay, for SC/ST category there will be a reservation 50%. If they get 50% in PCM, they can get into VIT. They can write the VIT exam. Okay, any boards, even CBSE board, ICSE board, state boards, you might be from any board which is recognized by international boards, all are accepted. Okay, then what is the exam pattern? See, exam will be online, computer based test. You don't need to go anywhere. It is a computer based test. Total 2 hours 30 minutes will be there, and the subject will be PCM, and English and aptitude test will also be there. Okay, PCM, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology. If you are from a biology background, you can take, otherwise PCM is fine. English and aptitude. So how many questions will be there? Total 125 questions will be there, out of which physics 35, chemistry 35, mathematics 40, with biology 5, aptitude 10, English 5. Total 125 questions will be there. Total physics 35, chemistry 35, mathematics or biology it is that is 40, aptitude 10, English 5. Total 2 hours 30 minutes will be there, and total questions will be 125. There is no negative marking, very important. There is no negative marking. So you must attend all questions to maximize your score. To maximize your score, you must attend all questions. Okay, next one. What is the syllabus? The syllabus is mostly based on NCERT. Very, very important. It is based on 11th and 12th topics. So now you might be preparing for KCET, or you might be preparing for COMEDK or any other exam, KCET or any other state exam, whatever the exams which is conducted by your boards. Okay, you might be from Andhra Pradesh, you might be from Tamil Nadu, you might be from some other Indian state. Okay, so NCERT is a basic foundation for everything, students. Okay, and top of this, first complete NCERT, physics, chemistry, mathematics, NCERT. Then you can refer some standard books like H.C. Verma for physics. For math, you can go for R.D. Sharma. For chemistry, you can go for O.P. Tandon, or you can refer this one also. Which one? NCERT for chemistry. Okay, and top of that, you can go for VIT previous year papers. Previous year papers helps a lot, students. Okay, previous year papers, solve the VIT previous year papers, there in the internet you can get that. Okay, and last but not the least, how to apply. Okay, to apply, just go for vit.ac.in and register with your email and mobile number. Fill your personal details and academic details, then upload documents, whatever the document they ask, just upload those documents, pay the fees. So there will be some selected preferred location will be there for exam. Just select the preferred exam date and center, then you are done. Okay, so once after writing the exam, based on your eligibility criteria, there will be a counseling. VIT admission is purely based on VIT rank students. No direct admission through management quota or anything. There is nothing like that. After results, you will be called for online counseling, where you need to choose the campuses. Like you might choose any campus. There are many campuses. No, as I said earlier, it is there are many campuses which is in Chennai, which is in Vellore, which is in Bhopal, Andhra Pradesh. You can choose any campus. Okay. Okay. Now, according to me, what are the preparation strategy? So it's very easy, students. Stick for NCERT. First one, follow NCERT strictly. First and foremost thing. Okay, most of the questions will be based on NCERT only. Second one, time management is very important. There are 125 questions. You will be having 150 minutes. So practice solving the problems very speed. It's very, very important. Third one, give mock test. Try to give as many number of mock tests as possible, because it helps to improve your accuracy and the speed. Then target the high rank, because if you want to go into computer science and its related branches, or to electronics and communication branches, you need to and if you want to go for top campuses like Vellore, you must get to below 10,000 rank. Okay, so concentrate more on NCERT, practice more mock test, time management is important, previous year papers are very important. Okay, this is all about VIT exam, students. VIT exams, if you want to attend VIT Vellore Institute of Technology engineering entrance exam, please do register for the exams now itself. Don't wait till the end. Okay, okay students, if you found this video helpful, please give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, those are preparing for VIT, or those are not preparing for VIT also, you can share it to them also. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Anti-Clock Coaching Academy, and for more updates and study tips, please watch my YouTube video. Okay, in my next video, I am going to talk about preparation strategy for second PUC students, those who are studying in second PUC now. 1 month preparation strategy, how you can manage time, how you can complete all the syllabus, and you can score more than 95%. 100% students, it is very effective. In my next video, I am going to upload a video on this topic. Okay, hope this video is useful. I am signing off, Nikhilesh. Until that, love you all. Bye bye. Take care, students.